Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create 4 new commands for your Discord bot. The first command is going to be a QR code generator. The second command is going to be a ping command that returns your bot's latency. The third command is going to be a kick/ban command. And the last command is going to be a command that retrieves user information. So go ahead and open up your Discord bot in Replit. Once you open up your Discord bot, we're going to install our packages, and the only package we're going to need for this video is the QR code package. So you're going to go to the packages menu, and then you search up QR code, and you're just going to add it to your project. When you finish adding the packages, we can start creating our commands. So the first command we're going to create is a user information command. So we're just going to copy our previous command. And then we're just going to delete the code in this command. And we're going to name it who. And then for the arguments, we're going to need a user ID for the bot to fetch. And then we're going to create a new variable called user. And we're going to set that equal to bot.fetch_user. And then we're going to put the user ID in here. Of code is going to make the Discord bot look for the user you're talking about when you give the user ID. And then once the bot finds that user, we can make the bot send some information about that user. So we can make it send the display name for that user by doing user.displayname. Then we can also check whether that user is a bot or not. We can also get the user's ID. We can get the date that that account was created at. And lastly, we can get the user's profile picture. And that's it for the user command. This command we're going to create is the QR code generator. So let's just copy this command. And then we can paste it and remove this code. And I'll rename it to just QR. And then for the arguments, we're going to need a message to turn the QR into. Now we're going to create a new variable called img. And then we set that equal to QR code.make. And then we want to put our message. So the message gets turned into a QR code. Then we save that image. So we can just do image.save. And then in quotation marks /, and then you can name the file whatever you want, but I'll just put qrcode.png. Next, we create another variable, and I'll just call this QR code file. And then we set that equal to a Discord file. And then in parentheses, we just put this over here so we can just copy. And then we can just paste it here. And then another parameter we need to put in is a file name. And we can just set this to QR code. And then for the bot to send this, we just do await ctx.send. And then file is equal to QR code file. And then we should also make the bot send the message too. So we just put await ctx.send and then message. And that's it for the QR code command. The next command we're going to create is a kick/ban command. And like before, we're just going to copy the previous command and paste it. And then just remove this code. and I'm just gonna call it kick. And then for the arguments, we're gonna need a member to kick, and then discord.member, and then an asterisk and a message. So let me just expand this. So to kick a member, all you have to do is type await member dot kick, and then for the reason, you just set it to message, and that's it. And you can also make the bot send the reason why they were kicked. So ctx.send user kicked for, and then message. And if you want to make this a ban command, you would just change the kick to a ban. But just for this video, I'm gonna do only one. Or you can make another separate ban command after this. And that's it for the kick/ban command. The last command we're gonna create is a ping command that returns the bot's latency. So we're just gonna copy the previous command and then change it to ping, get rid of this code. And then we're not gonna need any additional arguments for this, just ctx. And then you just put await ctx.send, and then you would put like pong here, and then str, and then round bot.latency times 1,000, so it returns the seconds. And then you would just put another plus and then ms. And that's it for the ping command. The last thing we're going to do to our code is to put comments, because it's best practice to put comments in your code. So for the first command, we did the who command. So this command returns user information. The second command we did was the QR command. This command returns QR codes. The third one we did was a kick command. So this command kicks users. And the last one was the ping command. This command returns the bot's latency. And that's it for our code. Now, two more things I want to add to the bot is in the QR code command, you want to change the file name and add .png. So then Discord shows the QR code without you having to download the file. And one thing I forgot to add to the who command is await to the user variable. And if you don't put await here for bot.fetchUser, then it's going to create an error. So now once you added those two things, you should run your REPL and then head to Discord so we can test our commands. Once you run your REPL, you should see that your bot is online in your Discord server. And the first command we're going to try out is the who command, so /who, and then you need someone's user ID. And to get that, you just right click and then you click copy ID. You're going to have to enable the Discord developer feature, and I'll leave a link on how to do that in the description. So you just paste the user ID, and then it returns the user's information. The next command we're going to try out is the QR command. So we can do /QR and then hello. And then it shows the QR code for that. The next command we have is /ping, and then it returns the latency for the bot. And the last command is the kick command. So we're just going to do /kick and then the user, and then we have to put a reason, so testing. And then the user was kicked and they're no longer in the server. If you enjoyed this video and learned something from it, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any other questions or if your code isn't working, make sure to drop a comment and I'll try to help you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.